Hi, I'm Chef Lindsay from HelloFresh.
And I'm Chef Melissa, and today we're here to show you how to make the perfect turkey.
Tip number 1, first thing you'll want to do is thaw the bird completely.
Place it on a sided baking sheet or in a bowl in your refrigerator.
For every 4 pounds of turkey, it takes about 1 day to defrost.
Tip number 2, completely dry the bird.
The best way to do this is with paper towels. Completely dry the outside and also the inside of the turkey.
This will create extra crispy skin when roasting.
Tip 3, tuck the wings.
Press the wings underneath the bird. They'll lock right into place.
And you do this to make sure that they get nice and crispy.
Tip number 4, do not open the oven! Do everything you can to keep it closed, otherwise the temperature drops drastically.
And it'll take a lot longer to cook and your family will be hangry. Step 5, let the turkey rest.
Once your bird has reached 165 degrees, you want to remove it from the oven and allow it to rest for 30 minutes before carving to allow the juices to redistribute.
And then you can get cozy with a glass of wine.
Cheers! Cheers! So there you have it, your turkey experts.
Have fun and get cooking.